This is my new IBM laptop. I usually make it a point not to keep any liquids on the table with the computer, but I am celebrating my new toy, and so let me just turn it off and I'll continue my celebration of my new wonderful IBM laptop toy. A couple minutes, it'll just shut off. This is amazing. It's all by itself. The program's closed and it shuts itself off just like that. Absolutely amazing. It logs off. Now it's time. It's off, and now it's time to celebrate and have a delicious Coca-Cola. Oh no! Oh God! What am I doing? Oh no! Not to fear. I know how to fix this. I can fix anything. I spilled soda on my laptop. Now I have to clean it. First,
You think it went inside?
Yeah, it went all over here. Clean the damn thing.
What are you doing?
That'll clean it right off.
It won't work anymore, that's it.
It's perfect now. It's all clean.
It's all clean, but it's not working.
I've washed the soda off of it.
What are you doing?
I'm washing the soda off. I can't stand sticky keyboard.
But that's it, you're a bit soda.
No, it's clean now. I've gotten all the soda
off. The
off.
water is inside.
No more soda.
Okay, so your computer?
I've done it. I fixed my computer. There's nothing wrong. This thing's built like a rock.
What?
And there it is, working perfectly again. With a little piece of dust here. Nice and dry. And that's how you fix a computer if you happen to spill anything on there, or get any little bits of dust, particles. Water won't hurt it at all. You can do that anytime you want.